What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be rebuilding this tabletop into a roller and rebuilding this big double to be much better, taller, and just all around look better and easier to ride. The first thing we're going to do is dig off the top of this table and shave it down to the roller shape. Once we're done with that, me, Landon, and Kyle are gonna work on making the double bigger, building out the sides and just making it taller so we go higher and just make it all around bigger double. So the jump is pretty good right now. Tomorrow we're gonna get a bunch more dirt. So today we're just making the takeoff as big as we can with the dirt we have. So I'm gonna test run it right now and just see how it feels.
Bien?
Yeah, dude, it's sore. The landing just needs to be a little farther back, and we can make the top of it a little wider so if you case it. But you go so high, like that time I just landed flat, so get some more dirt tomorrow. Keep working on this lip. It'll be a really good jump. So our neighbor just went back to his house to get another trailer of dirt, and we're gonna make the landing of the double longer and bigger. He's probably gonna do, I don't know how much trailers he's getting, but he's getting quite a bit. So I think we're gonna have enough room to make another double down here. So we'll have this double, and then you go down a little bit and then hit another one down here. Then you could go out the gate down there. So should be pretty sick. So we're gonna get working on the landing, and then once we're done with that, then we could start making a second double. Not going anywhere, baby. So it's been a while since I've worked on the jumps because I've been sick, and all I have to do is take the tarps off. I've taken them off a couple days ago and just watered them. The jumps look really good. And then all the way down there where our neighbor dumped some dirt, I have to move that out of the way just a little bit so I can get by to test run these jumps. And we just put all this new rock in right here, which is super nice because when we're dragging the hose back and forth to water the jumps and stuff, it doesn't track as much mud, and when the hose is running and it's dripping or whatever, doesn't get all muddy right here. We're tracking mud back and forth on the patio and doesn't get in the house and stuff like that. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. If you like what we're doing here and you saw in today's video, hit that subscribe button. We're trying to reach 1,000 subs, and we just did part 1, so part 2 is going to be building the second double, so stay tuned for that. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.
Had to smash up, pass up, natural disaster. Mama say I'm crazy, tried to take me to the pastor. That do not matter, those my pockets fatter. Out of space, I'm off the drugs, feel my face on sad. Had to smash up, pass up, natural.